Educators, you already have the knowledge and expertise. Now just learn to monetize it. I know that many of the educators, they are teaching for several years, they are upgrading themselves, they are having a lot of education, degrees, diplomas, qualifications, and they are teaching for so many years. So whatever experience you have gained, now it's time to use your expertise to actually convert it into the successful coaching business. And here is my role comes, where I can help you to launch your successful coaching business. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Neeta. I'm India's first holistic success coach for educators and entrepreneurs. आज के वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली किस तरह से आप आपके एक्सपर्टीज को मोनेटाइज कर सकते हो। पिछले कुछ साल मैं भी जॉब में थी एंड मैं भी एक एजुकेटर रह चुकी हूँ। फॉर मोर दैन 10 years आई वर्क एज एन educator, as a professor in the renowned management institute. And at that moment of time when I was in job, I feel that I was giving my 100%, but my knowledge, my expertise, whatever kind of skills I was having, there was no recognition for that. Rather, it was getting undervalued, unrecognized, and again there was a lot of stress and pressure while dealing with the politics and other administrative pressure and all those kind of things. Actually, it was overwhelming me, and that's how I decided to quit my job and start my entrepreneur journey. And here comes the role of my role, wherein I would like to help similar people who are going through the same pain which I actually had in my previous life. I would like to help you. Actually, whatever kind of problem I face, I actually get into business, fail my first business, failed my second startup, and that's how I learn different kind of techniques, what works, what doesn't work, where exactly you should actually focus on, what needs to be done when actually things doesn't go according to your plan. All these things actually I have learned through my experiences. I have done a lot of mistakes in my journey, but I want you should not do those mistakes which I have done in my journey, which makes me give some kind of failure. Here you don't have to work from scratch. I'm going to help you out to giving you that exact formula, that step-by-step process which actually give you success in the first go. You already have the knowledge, you already have the experience, you know already many skills. Now it's time to just build that particular skills into the framework in such kind of systems, and just actually help others which kind of expertise you are already having. There are several myths that people feel ki you need lot of you need to be influencer, you need a lot of followers, but actually these are just myths. What you need is just your own story, which needs to be very truthful. They should not be kind of fake achievements you have to show. Whatever you are, wherever you are, your real story needs to be there, your expertise needs to be there, and you should have real skills, real passion to help others. Whatever kind of achievements you have, you could actually help others to give that expertise. And here comes my role. I actually help people to launch their coaching business just in 30 days without quitting their job. And after that, there is another process. First, in 30 days, we work deeply with your purpose, with your passion, alignment of all these, and then later on we help you to launch your business. So this is where the role of holistic success coaching comes. And to reveal all these formulas and framework, I am organizing the event SGS 2025, that is Success Growth Summit. कहाँ पे है? पुणे में है, पिपले सौदागर में है, होटल शिवार गार्डन में है, मॉर्निंग 9 टू इवनिंग 5 PM ये इवेंट होने वाला है। यहाँ पे आपको ये सक्सेस फॉर्मूला भी मिलेगा एंड वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस भी मिलेगी जिसके थ्रू आप आपका सक्सेसफुल कोचिंग बिजनेस लॉन्च कर सकते हैं। तो डोंट मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी, क्लिक द लिंक बिलो एंड रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ for the program. I'll see you there and give you your success blueprint. Till that time, stay tuned. Thank you.